Okay, so this is question number 3, and it's about a shop having a sale that's 20% off all prices. On the final day, they reduce all sale prices by a further 25%. Alex buys the hairdryer on the final day. Work out the overall percentage reduction on the price of the hairdryer. So for me, this is thinking about the percentages as decimal numbers. If you're talking about the hairdryer being 100% of its price on the original on the first day, then if it's had 20% off, we're talking about that hairdryer being 80% of its original value. 80% of the original value as a decimal, so 80% is equivalent to 0.8 as a decimal. Now, they're talking about this hairdryer having a further 25% off of the sale prices. So when you think about the word of in maths, you think about the word multiply. So we're talking about 25% off of 80%. Okay, so 25% off would be 75% of the value. So 75% of 80% is what we're thinking about. Now 75% as a decimal would be 0.75. For me, I'd be doing 0.8 multiplied by 0.75. That will give you, and if you get your calculator up again, bring that in, still got the answer from the previous question, clear the screen. 0.8 multiplied by 0.75. That equals 0.6. So the hairdryer is 60%, 0.6 equaling 60%. Okay, that is what it is of the original price, is 60% of 100%, which means that the overall percentage reduction is 40%. It's been reduced by 40%. That's how I would look at that question. Now, other ways of looking at it, but that's the way that I would look at that question and answer that question.